Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix mobile hotspot not working on Edge 90 Fusion. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, restart device, just click and hold power button and volume up button and you will see restart device from here. After restart device, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library, scroll down and click on settings app. Now in setting, click on network and internet and click on hotspot and tethering and turn on hotspot mode. And after turn on hotspot button, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, check your internet connection. Internet connection is worked properly. After check internet connection, still problem is not solved, click on settings app, scroll down and click on system. After click on system, click on reset option and click on reset all settings. After click on reset all settings, go back to home screen. You will see a problem is solved. But if it still not solved, again click on settings app and search software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix mobile hotspot not working on Edge 90 Fusion. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.